So if you are facing an issue of no internet connection, the first thing you have to check is to make sure that you have an active internet connection. If you have and the problem still persists, then let's follow these two steps, two methods. Each method could work, so try these two methods and see if it can rectify your problem. First method, you have to move to your search bar and search for your control panel. Then go to categories. Then here you come to Network and Sharing Center. Good. Then you come to change adapter settings. Great. Right click, then go to properties. Then here you search for what is called Internet Protocol version 6. Turn it off and click OK. Then that is the first step. Restart your computer. If this doesn't work, let's try the second method. Good. It didn't work, so let's try the second method, the ultimate, and I know definitely for sure this is the method that will work for you. Device Manager, search Device Manager on your search bar, then open Device Manager and follow the steps. Follow the steps carefully. Good. So here you come here, then you click next. Close. Then click on it again and uninstall. Click uninstall and uninstall it. Good. After you are done, uninstalling, let's move. Then you have to restart our computer. After restarting your computer, move to your network and check if everything is working. Now you can see that the network is connected and you can browse and use your network. This is how to do it. So let's check if the network is now working. So let's open a browser. Wow. Let me open here and see if it works. Everything is working perfectly and the internet is active now. This is how to resolve this problem. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, The One Movie. Thank you. Next time we say peace.